Ploise Denture Cleaner is a denture cleaning product designed to remove everyday buildup, reduce odors, and help keep removable dental appliances looking fresh and hygienic. It's marketed as an easy soak-paste solution that works without aggressive scrubbing, which makes it appealing for daily denture care. The big question is whether it actually delivers noticeable results or if it's just another average cleaner with bold claims. Ploise Denture Cleaner typically comes in tablet or liquid form. The process is straightforward. Dentures are placed in the solution for a short soak, then rinsed before use. This isn't a new concept in denture care, so what really matters is whether Ploise performs better than basic rinsing or standard cleaners most people already use. In real-world use, the biggest advantage is convenience. There's no need for heavy brushing or trying to reach tiny crevices by hand. A simple soak followed by a rinse makes daily maintenance easier, especially for people with limited hand mobility or anyone who wants a low-effort routine. After soaking, dentures generally feel fresher and look slightly brighter, which suggests the cleaner is doing its job on surface-level buildup. Quick disclaimer before we continue. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling or promoting this product. Everything here is based on public information and common warning signs of misleading marketing. When it comes to performance, Ploise works best for everyday residue. Light stains, food particles, and odor-causing bacteria are noticeably reduced with regular use. Dentures feel cleaner and fresher compared to rinsing with water alone, making it a practical option for maintaining hygiene between deeper cleanings. However, it's important to set realistic expectations. For deeper stains caused by years of coffee, tea, or smoking, one soak is usually not enough. Stubborn discoloration may still require gentle brushing or repeated soaking over time. That doesn't mean the product is ineffective, but it does mean it's not a miracle solution for long-term staining. From a legitimacy standpoint, Ploise Denture Cleaner does what it claims at a basic level. It's a real cleaning product, not a scam, and it performs as a daily maintenance cleaner should. It doesn't promise unrealistic results, and it doesn't rely on exaggerated medical claims. It simply helps keep dentures cleaner and fresher with minimal effort. The bottom line is this: if you're looking for a simple, low-maintenance way to keep dentures fresh on a daily basis, Ploise Denture Cleaner is a practical option. If you're expecting it to completely erase deep stains overnight, it's likely to fall short. Used consistently and alongside occasional brushing, it fits well into a realistic denture care routine.